and welcome to this new video. I show you today how to finalize a cat face drawing. The whole cat face portrait is a lesson inside of my Drawing School Animal Art Club. If you're interested, you can find the link to join the wait list below in the description. Now let's dive in. So let's continue with the white and add here some white fine crossing lines here on that fur part here on the left. Brighten it up a bit and add another layer of white here just to add some single hairs that are going a bit in different directions. That makes your portrait then also, it gives the portrait a bit more depth. Here maybe also add here above where the eyebrows are some additional lines. You can now correct something and add here and there some fine lines where they are missing. Maybe here another layer of fur to make it here a bit more dense. Also add here fine teeny tiny little strokes. Scratch in here some more hairs. Yes. Some are also going over the black part here, or take here the Pista 179 and add here some fine Pista lines also over the black here. You can swipe over this fur here below, color that a bit yellowish again with the Pista. Maybe go in with black once more and add some black strokes here. Work a bit on the fur structure once more. Bringing in here so black lines again. Here and there, all over that clump here. If you would like, maybe, yes, add here a bit of black on the right and add a bit of darker color here on the right, maybe with the brown a bit, so that we plot in here a bit brown on the right and blend over with the paper stamp. Yes, but now I think that's fine here. So for our background fur, and so here it's more blurry and here it's a bit more detailed. That's fine. And finally, let's draw the whiskers. Don't miss that. Take the white, sharpen the white really well. So let's create a nice sharp point on the white, and then let's draw here lines to the left. They can be a bit thicker, they don't have to be so really very teeny tiny thin in that cat portrait. So start here where the whiskers are growing out and draw a line to the left and move the pencil fast and rotate the pencil and press a little bit that they are becoming brilliant white. Let's draw one, and then I draw here below one downwards, a smaller one, then one to the left, let's say here, and another one, and maybe one crossing a little bit upwards. And then I sharpen the pencil again. And let's draw some thinner ones. There are also black whiskers that we see on the reference photo. But let's draw maybe one that makes a bow here. So that is a bit thinner. And a shorter one. And here we also have so thinner, shorter ones that are here going downwards. I make that a little bit longer with little pressure. Always add fine ends. Let's do a second one here above. Okay. Here also let a longer one then on the right side go down. So a shorter one I wanted to say. And here a shorter one, so shorter lines. And one that goes a bit upwards to the right. And here also a shorter one. Add some of the shorter lines here. And then thicker ones here. Press a little bit more. Let them grow out here. Press a little bit more. The next one, I think I have to sharpen the pencil. I don't want to make them too broad. So I sharpen the pencil and then draw here one. Rotate the pencil. Also here below with motion and quick and fast. Draw them here downwards. And one a bit. This can be a bit longer. Also here above another one. We have here now two. Let's add another one here. Rotate the pencil and another one here. These a bit thicker. This one can also be a bit thicker. And then let's do another one. Okay. And yes, maybe I add here above some longer fluffy hairs. Refine that a bit. And yes, then let's take the black and add also the black whiskers we see on the reference photo. For example, here we have a black one growing out here above. And one here, a very thin one. Fine ends. And here also, here above, draw another fine thin black line upwards and a second one here and a very fine one. Don't press too much with the black. Also let's add here a black one. Okay, we can also add here below, I see some so long or fine little black hairs that are going here downwards, and here one that is a little bit dark, but maybe I blend over it. This was now a bit too much. Make that a bit lighter, or go over with the white again, that it is here not so dominant. I don't like that. Remove it. You can also always correct a bit here. Remove it. Yes, okay, then let's refine a bit. Let's go in here where we have these overlapping little black hairs, bringing in here some fine black hairs, or just add here and there some fine black details if you need, or here for example go in once more with the black, or add here these fine little lines around these black parts where the whiskers are growing out, or here so fine overlapping little details. Yes, but I think it looks nice so far, and we will come then to an end, so that I add here some black lines again here above a bit, or very gently here around the eyebrow part. Yeah, but it looks beautiful so far. Okay, then let's sign it then finally. I sign it here with the letters of my name. or with the full name, and I call it finished now. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed watching and these tips are helpful for you. If you find drawing animal portraits with pastel pencils as fascinating as I do, I invite you to join the waitlist for my membership Animal Art Club, my online drawing school. Doors open just a few times a year and you will be informed first when we open again. If you like my channel, then subscribe, and if you have any comments, then write them below. I'm happy to answer. And then I hope I see you next week. Bye!